How to change the screen resolution or display resolution on your OnePlus phone with Android 16, Oxygen OS 16. Keep in mind, not all OnePlus phone has the resolution feature. Mainly the flagship tier type OnePlus phones will have this feature. On your OnePlus phone, use the quick access and tap on the settings option to the top right here. Once you're in this area here, you want to go down until you see display and brightness. A single tap will take you here, then just go down and you're looking for screen resolution. Again, not all OnePlus phone has it, but if you do have it within the display area, you'll see this here and you'll be taken to this area here. Now, if you want to keep your phone balanced and a decent battery usage in terms of resolution, leave it on standard and you should be perfectly good to go. But if your eyes can see better than mine, you got the high option, which will increase like this here to sharper image, but use a bit more battery life, even though it doesn't tell you. You also have this last option here, and you can totally switch it on or off at any given time, and it's up to you to make this decision like and sub.